In this course, we'll be taking a compositional approach to prompt engineering. To get an idea of what I mean by compositional, watch this dancer closely and notice all the small movements that she combines. Whatever your feelings about this style of dance, the display of flexibility and control is impressive. Here's the takeaway for prompt engineering. By identifying, isolating, and learning to control every element that composes a prompt, it becomes possible to achieve intricate and impressive results. So what are these composable elements? Well, broadly speaking, we can compose prompts using tactics, techniques, and recipes. But what do these concepts mean? A tactic is an idea or an approach for reaching a goal. A technique is the actual method used to implement a tactic. A recipe is a common formula or template that you can reuse. Here's a simple example. Imagine you have hundreds of transcripts of influencers talking about products and prices, like this one.
I couldn't help but notice the bright signs promoting the latest and greatest products. From the sleek EcoPod electric car with a price tag of $35,000 to the high-end Luxio smartwatch priced at $900, there was really something for everyone.
Your goal is to create a database with this information, so you decide to extract the product and price information from the transcripts. But how do you implement this? In the end, you settle on using a question in your prompt instead of an instruction, and you opt for generating a table instead of a list. You notice that this blend of techniques works well, and so you use it as a recipe to extract product and price information from all of your transcripts. As you learn more tactics, techniques, and recipes, one good way to practice is to decompose a prompt recipe into its elements and to try and understand how each element contributes. Let's look at an example of a prompt decomposition. Don't worry if this seems a bit foreign, it will all become clearer as you work through future videos. For now, it's just about getting a sense of it. This is a recipe for generating learning outcomes that are at the right level for students. Let's see what's going on under the surface. As you can see, even a relatively short prompt can be composed of many elements. Pause the video here if you want to take a closer look at these labeled elements. They really aren't as daunting as they may seem at first. For now, the big picture idea I'd like you to hold on to is this. A compositional approach to prompt engineering allows you to identify and isolate the specific tactics, techniques, and recipes that give you more precise control over large language models. Over the next few sessions, we'll be taking a closer look at prompt tactics before delving into prompt techniques. In the next video, I'll share a simple framework for organizing different tactics. You're in for a whale of a time.